Gav, what are you doing?
What would you do if I always sat like this? Through class, I'm just sitting there writing, and I'm like, Haley.
Haley, look at me. You're like, Mr. Blue?
Mr. Blue, I have a question. And then when I got excited, I'm like, what?
When you're getting up, do what you do if you're standing up.
My chair falls over. Hey. Whoa.
Okay. Bye, camera.
Bye, camera. Bye, camera. Bye, camera. Hope your mom doesn't wake up.